Okay. Uh, I'll again show you from the alphabets from A to F. The other copy which I was using, it had very thin lines, so I think many of you were having troubles in understanding. So I have tried to draw lines with red pen and blue pen to show you the alphabets once again. Okay. Parents can also do it. If their children cannot write properly, then you can always try this method. You draw a red line in the top and at the bottom, and you draw two blue lines in the middle. Okay. So let us start with the alphabet A. You start from the second blue line. You touch the top blue line, make a curve down, come down, again go up, touch the blue line, see, and end here. Okay. The second time I write, start from here, touch the top blue line, curve it, again come down, go up and curve down. Okay. For the B, again start from here, go straight up, come down, curve and in the middle. See, this, if this is full B, in the middle you finish with a loop. Okay, my lines are very big over here, but in the 4-line copy the lines are not this big. Okay, so this line, this loop usually touches this blue line. Okay, but this is too high, so I am showing you over here. I am showing you basically this is the half of B. Okay, I show it here again. Start from here, go straight up, touch the red line, come down, go to the half of B and curve. Okay. Next I show you C. C, again start from here, it's half of A, go up, curve, come down, finish. Okay. Start from here, curve up, curve down, finish. Okay. For D, again I told you half, so don't touch this line, it will make a big stomach. Then don't do that, it will become big tummy. For this big lines I am telling you, just make a small loop, touch the top red line, finish it here. Okay. Next is E. E will also be in between the two blue lines. I start from here, or you can start from the middle also. It will just curve like this. This is not looking proper. Let me rub it. Nice, good looking one. Okay, don't make it look like a C. And finally I do the F. F, you can start from here or here, but if you start from here it looks better. Okay, go up, curve down, touch the bottom red line, curve up, make a loop. See, it should look like this. Start from the middle, touch the top red line, turn left, curve down, touch the red line, curve right, make a loop, finish. Okay, I show you the F once again. Start from here, curve up, touch the top red line, turn left, then come down, touch the bottom red line, curve right and finish here. Okay, this F is perfect. I rub this F and I do it once again. It's not good. So I start from here, I go up, curve down, touch the red line, make a nice thing, loop it. Okay, I hope I'm clear this time. I will try different methods so that you can understand how to write it and how to write neatly.